Hi, welcome to this video. Really quickly, in this video, we want to talk about something called unordered lists. And the tag name for an unordered list is UL. So unordered lists are what we think of generally where we think of bullet points. So in order to create an unordered list within the element, we're going to put a bunch of these LI or list item types. And that's going to create this nice bullet point here. Now this bullet point can actually be styled. You can do quite a lot of things with them to make them customized. A lot of that will be with CSS, so we're not going to worry about it for this video. Well, what are some enumeratable things? Let's go Gaius Augustus and Tiberius, let's say. And so we can list things in this way. A variation on the unordered list is the ordered list, which is OL. As you can see, it'll order things as 1, 2, and 3. There are actually other ways you can order things. You can use different types of lists. So you can use numbers, letters, etc., etc. Those are things we'll cover in another video. This video is sufficient just to understand two types of lists, ordered lists and unordered lists, and use list item within them.